Today we are here at Kasiguran, Sorsogon, and for today's video, we are going to visit one of the most prominent radio stations in the province, ang Pasalingaya 88.1 FM. Tara, samahan niyo ako! Hi, ako po si Kay Atutubo and I'm the station manager of Pasalingaya 88.1 FM. Being a station manager is a wide scope na term dito sa Pasalingaya kasi we oversee basically all the departments here in the station. So, ako po ang in charge sa departments from production and broadcasting, sa news and public affairs, technical, finance, sales, and marketing. Pero we focus mainly on broadcasting and marketing. Actually, we just celebrated our 6th year in the media industry here in Pasalingaya, which also marked my 6th year as a media practitioner. And as a media practitioner, I always make it a point that to be always well-informed. Within the day, we have to read news. Kung hindi man siya local, at least national, para lang informed kami and pwede namin siya ma-inject sa aming program. Bali sa do's and don'ts kasi ng broadcast. So, syempre, madamdaman ba siya naka-encompass dito sa do's and don'ts and broadcast. Pero here in Pasalingaya, we make sure that we follow and comply with the standards ng TVP. So, everything that is stipulated po sa TVP guidelines, yun naman din ang sinusunod namin sa Pasalingaya. So, para lang din that we strictly abide by these stipulations, we make sure that all programs are guided by program format. So, everything is pre-approved bago po na i-air. So, kung ano man po ang andoon lang sa approved na program format, yun lang din ang pwede i-air.
So, what is the most memorable and unforgettable moment you've had as a media practitioner po?
Probably what I can remember from my memory is that ang first broadcast ko sa program na ito, yun yung probably the most unforgettable moment for me as a media practitioner. Kasi I had a partner habang nagpo-program. Sa first broadcast ko, may partner ako. Siya ang nagpuputi-puti hindi. Ako ang nagtatabi. So, pagang ano siya. So, hindi man talaga, pagang it reminds me na hindi ka man talaga ma-start off na expert ka to vlogs. We all have to start somewhere na kumbaga small before you go on to kumbaga master these things na hindi ko.
What are the difficulties you've encountered during your service po?
Medyo marami din naman talagang difficulties. You know, being a media practitioner is not really faint-hearted. So, may passion ka talaga in serving, meron ka talagang passion. Being a media practitioner, kasi kung gusto mo magpayaman, hindi ito ang industry na para sa'yo, diba? Merong kaakibat na kumbaga, malaking responsibility ang pagiging media practitioner, pero hindi siya monetarily rewarding. So, kasaro siya sa mga, nakikita ko din na magiging difficulty din sa mga masunod na generations. Pero, we make it a point to always remind them that you always have to remind yourself na why you started, why you like being in the media in the first place, what inspired you to take the path of being a media practitioner para hindi ka na-lose track sa na maski na masakit na talaga ang buhay. I mean, maka-reconnect ka maghihapon, ma-reignite mo ang passion mo dito sa service.
Your messages, tips, and strategies you use to better interact with your audiences during on-air po?
Probably one of the biggest lessons I'd like to impart is itong huwag ka mag-overthink. Kasi when you overthink, you lose your instinct sa kung ano sasabihin mo, ano magandang isipin. I mean, ano magandang sabihin kasi syempre isip mo, magugustuhan ba ito ng audience ko, diba? Medyo nag-picture ka na sa kung ano-ano na scenario sa isip mo. When in fact, mas gusto sa audience is ito na pag natural ka lang. So, pag nag-overthink ka, nawawala ito na pagiging natural mo. And mas mukha kang, kumbaga, si Sakit sa ano mo, sa pag-deliver mo sa kung ano man ang spiel mo. So yun, do not overthink. We're in the announcer's booth. Tapos dito lahat po ng mga programs ginagawa. So the anchor would usually sit here and the guests would sit here. And ito po yung ginagamit na console. Ayan yung ginagamit po ng main anchor. And then we use this for the... So lahat ng mga commercials are already here. Tapos ito naman sa kitchen ito yung ginagamit kapag may requests. So usually hinahanap namin yung requests sa YouTube or parang pang-reinforcement na lang dito for the anchor. So pag kailangan nyo ng additional na screen for magbabasa ng news